Hi everyone, welcome back to the channeling series. And today I have a message from the tarot again. So, today we have the judgment card. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Anyway, this is a judgment card and what so whoever lands on this video or watches this video later, the message for you is that every time, right? Every time you judge anyone, all right? For example, you have, you know, a friend, okay? And you judge that friend as being uh, very, angry, or you judge him as being somebody who's not loyal, right? Somebody who is always late, for example, right? Now, what will happen is that the moment, number one, when you judge somebody, okay, then what happens is that you, number one, limit that person just to those characteristics, right? That's number one. And the second thing is, this means you limit them, meaning even if this person can be loyal, even if this person can come on time, even if this person has another facet to themselves, they will not reveal those facets to you. Why? Because you've judged them to that, that particular trait. All right. And number two, what happens is that when you judge a person a certain way, you block your receiving from that person in various ways, right? For example, I think I've already spoken about this in maybe another, video or a class. But what happens is that if this person, right, had to come into your life, right? Or had to present you with maybe, say, um, I don't know, maybe they were planning a birthday party, and if they had to do that and everything was supposed to be on time, now that you have judged them to be always late and to be always tardy, right? Even if they could have planned a beautiful, on time, like a party, they would not do that. Why? Because you don't even have that energy within your realm, right? And if you don't have that energy within you, they don't won't match that vibration, right? So yeah, you see how this works. So, and I know it's easier said than done, and but it's very important for us to understand this. Okay, for everybody who lands on this video, what happens is that every time we um, reduce a person to them just being that emotion, that is something actually that you know limits them in our life only like that, right? So have you seen how sometimes even when you're thinking about somebody, right, like maybe an old friend, maybe somebody you don't even talk to anymore, but you keep repeating how bad they are, or how they don't stay in touch, you don't understand that when you keep repeating the same thing about somebody, you are actually sending out only those vibrations to them, and they will only be those things with you, right? Because now like for example, that friend of yours, right? Now that friend of yours probably is very punctual with someone else. Someone else, when they come and talk to you, they don't really know them as being tardy, right? They think he's very punctual, right? Because that's the version of him that's shown to them, right? But to you, you have affirmed it into your life, that version of him, right? And therefore, you keep manifesting that version of him, right? Now, you would ask, or many of my students ask me, so if I think of him in a different way, will that person change? The answer is yes, right? But more often than not, it's difficult for us, not impossible, it's difficult for us to think for other folks, right? Because if we can do that for other folks, right? Ultimately, they are kind of somebody in your life. So your vibration is matching theirs, and therefore they are showing up, right? So if this energy is so powerful, I would actually urge you all to use this energy for yourself, right? Why aren't you and then it comes back to us, of course. Judging others is limiting them in your life like that, but judging yourself, you are also limiting yourself in your life, right? Constant judgment about the way you look, constant judgment about, the things you do, constant judgment about the things you don't do, and then it becomes a vicious circle where you end up creating the exact life that you're completely petrified of, right? So all the things that you keep thinking about your body, all the things that you keep, all the diseases you think about, all the worst case scenarios you think about, right? All of those what if scenarios that you keep playing in your mind again and again and again and again, it'll one day become true. Why? Because the vibration and the energy of yours is going to match with the outside reality, right? And that's going to show up in your life. So, be it other folks or be it yourself, be very careful about what are you judging. What's that tape that's running in your head? What is the story that you're playing again and again? And based on what your story is, that will become your reality. Yeah. So I hope this message resonated with all of you. Do comment to say that you received this message. And I will be back tomorrow with another message. Till then, signing off, Anisha Lat from Zarya Healings.